Hello everyone, my name is Binbin Cai. I'm from Zhejiang University of Technology. Today, my topic is Innovation and Service Enterprises Performance. There are 5 parts in my paper. Part 1, Introduction. Part 2, Theoretical Background and Assumptions. Part 3, Research Models and Variables. Part 4, Statistical Analysis Results based on data. Part 5, Conclusion. Part 1, Introduction. The process through which entrepreneurs increase profits by introducing a replacement combination of production factors and conditions into the assembly system is called innovation. Research on the correlation between financial performance and corporate innovation has mainly focused on manufacturing companies. For a large number of service-oriented companies with limited profit margins, it is particularly important to improve financial performance through corporate innovation. Because of their small profit margin, increasing revenue and reducing expenditure is not a suitable strategy for service-oriented enterprises to improve their profitability. Rather, they need to improve financial performance through corporate innovation. In this light, this study provides theoretical support for the innovation behaviors that enterprises choose to improve their financial performance. Specifically, this study examines the effect of 5 innovative behaviors on the financial performance of service-oriented companies. Therefore, this study expands prior research and regards corporate image innovation as one of the factors of corporate innovation. Moreover, it provides a theoretical basis for improving the financial performance of service-oriented companies through innovation. There are relatively few studies on the innovation behavior of service-oriented enterprises. This study fills this gap in the literature. Part 2, Theoretical Background and Assumptions. Innovation has become the main source of competitive advantages for all companies in the market. 2.1, Service Innovation. The literature related to innovation indicates a link between change of services and the accomplishment of new service. Both progressive service innovation and breakthrough service innovation has significantly improved the profitability of services from a financial or market perspective. The implementation of service innovation also affects profitability. 2.2, Engineering Innovation. The use of new or improved manufacturing, supply chain, and administrative process is called engineering innovation. Related research in this field has found that innovation in green processes has a significant effect on innovation in green products, and that innovation in green processes and green products boosts companies' financial performance. 2.3, Marketing Innovation. Innovation in marketing refers to a firm's ability to reach the market, communicate efficiently, and offer goods and services to attract prospective or current clients. There is a complementary relationship between corporate innovation and marketing abilities, which can effectively improve customer-related performance. 2.4, Organizational Innovation. The method of implementing modern organizational approaches for business administration in the workplace and/or the interaction between an enterprise and external parties is called organizational innovation. This is one important source of competitive advantage for an enterprise. Research has shown that organizational innovation through sustained technical innovation explicitly or implicitly enhances export efficiency. 2.5. Image innovation. A company's image is defined as its current public image. According to the resources theory, corporate reputation is an important assessed and a means for competition. From a financial perspective, business owners are willing to pay higher premiums to improve their firm's image. 2.6. Enterprises performance. Enterprise performance can be divided into non-financial and financial performance, which is widely employed in business strategy research. And it proposed that the most important dimensions of financial performance are the operational and market performance dimensions. Based on the literature discussed above, it can be assumed that the service, engineering, marketing, organization, and image innovation of an enterprise have major positive effects on its financial performance. The specific hypotheses are as follows. Hypothesis 1. Innovation in enterprise services has a positive influence on the enterprise financial performance. Hypothesis 2. Innovation in enterprise engineering has a positive influence on the enterprise financial performance. Hypothesis 3. Innovation in enterprise marketing has a positive influence on the enterprise financial performance. Hypothesis 4. Innovation in enterprise organization has a positive influence on the enterprise financial performance. Hypothesis 5. Innovation in enterprise image has a positive influence on the enterprise financial performance. Part 3. Research models and variables. 3.1. Research models. This study focuses on China's innovative service companies. Specifically, it examines the effect of 5 innovative behaviors, namely service, technical, marketing, operational, and image innovation on the financial results of such companies. 3.2. Research variables. According to the literature review, innovation in services refers to a new service or service activity improved by the original service. And the company's financial performance includes sales, operating profit margins, and its financial structure, while a company's non-financial performance refers to its image, competitiveness, employee satisfaction, and so on. Table 1. Definition of variables. Service innovation. The new service or service activities improved by the original service. Engineering innovation. The introduction of new or improved production, service, supply chain, and administrative processes. Marketing innovation. The ability of business to reach the markets, to use communication networks efficiently, and to offer products and services to attract future or current clients. Organizational innovation. The adoption of new organizational methods in the management of internal or external relations of an enterprise. Image innovation. The new management activities adopted to improve the external image of an enterprise. Financial innovation relates to an enterprise sales, operating profit margins, and financial structure. And non-financial innovation relates to an enterprise image, competitiveness, employees' satisfaction, and so on. 3.3 Questionnaire Design. A questionnaire survey was conducted among service-oriented enterprises in China, and a professional data collection company was commissioned to collect data. Online data collection was improvised, and a total of 324 valid questionnaires were collected. All measurement skills were revised based on the skills validated in existing study. The content of the specific questionnaire design and the source of the skill are shown in Table 2. All measurements use a 5-point link scale. 1 equals to strongly disagree, and 5 means strongly agree. Table 2. Content of the questionnaire. Service innovation. Number 1. The company has introduced a range of initiatives to produce new products in order to enhance customer convenience. 2. A range of innovative activities for R&D and differential services has been carried out by the company. 3. New services and new features has been built by the firm. 4. The company has launched new services to compete with other companies. Engineering innovation. 1. The company optimized no additional process in the service program. 2nd, the company reduced the costs of variable factors in the service process. 3. The company has improved the quality of service. 4. The company reduced the cost of the service process. 5. The company has increased the speed of providing services. Marketing innovation. 1. The company has implemented innovative market analysis to enhance the perception of consumers and the market and collect insights from competing companies. 2. The business has segmented the industry due to the shifts in consumers and markets, and has created new customers and markets. 3. The business has launched a new customer management project to boost customer satisfaction. 4. The firm has introduced a pricing technology to set the price of the service. Organizational innovation. 1. Improvements in system and procedures has shown a positive effect on corporate activities. 2. The supply chain management has been improved. 3. The management of human resources has become more efficient under the new measures. 4. The company has combined the internal information management system and the external information sharing system to achieve better organization. 5. A number of organizational reforms are carried out to develop better cohort relationship. Corporation image innovation. The importance of maintaining an environmentally friendly public image is generally agreed among the top leaders of the company. 2. The employees support green economy. 3. The company's contribution in terms of employment has also helped maintain a positive public image. 4. The company promotes a healthy lifestyle for its employees and advocates balance between work and rest. 5. The values of free trade and fair deal are highly respected. Financial achievements. Increased skills. 2nd, improved profit margins. 3. Reduction of costs associated to bureaucracy. 4. a more efficient financial structure. And 5, the potential of enlarging net profits. Part 4, statistical analysis results based on data. 4.1, reliability analysis. The validity analysis supports the reliability of the questionnaire. As Table 3 illustrates, the Cronenbach's alpha of all dependent, variable service innovation, engineering innovation, marketing innovation, organizational innovation, image innovation, non-financial performance, and finance performance are all above 0.8. 4.2, validity analysis. Table 4 shows that the result of Kaysen-Meyer or King test is over 0.926, significantly larger than 0.7. This is in line with the requirements of retrograde factor analysis, and the positive relationship is considered legitimate. Thus, consistency and validity of the constructs are confirmed. 4.3, factor analysis. After selection, all factor loadings are greater than 0.7, which indicates that there is a good degree of interpretation between the main component factors. See Table 5. The results of the factor analysis show that the questionnaire constructed in this study can be divided into 7 variables, which is consistent with the results of the conceptual variables we built. 4.4, relevance analysis. According to Table 6, there is a positive correlation between all variables, significant at the 5% level. Meanwhile, the correlation between all variables is less than 0.7. Thus, multicollinearity is not a concern. 4.5, regressional analysis. According to Table 7, the regression equation AGT R squared equal to 0.47 fits better. For F5318, the statistic is 58.385, indicating that the regression equation is very significant. The regression analysis results in Table 8 show that the variation inflation factor of the respective variables are less than 10. Thus, it can be concluded that the model does not have a multicollinearity problem. Part 5, conclusions. This study accumulated through questionnaires data on service-oriented companies throughout China and collected information on the degree of corporation innovation, including financial and non-financial performance, service engineering, marketing, organizational, and image innovation. The reliability and validity of the methodology were tested. The results show that practices employed throughout the study are valid. To test the hypothesis, multiple regression analysis were performed. An empirical analysis was undertaken to examine the effects of corporate innovation behavior on corporate financial performance. The results are consistent with our findings that, first, innovation of services has a positive influence on financial performance. This theory was tested and was found to be directly significant. Among service-oriented companies, service is the focus and the most prominent aspect. Furthermore, service innovation needs to evolve continuously to enhance a company's financial performance. Second, engineering innovation also has a positive, significant influence on the company's financial performance. Third, marketing innovation has a statistically significant effect on the financial performance of the company. Fourth, organizational innovation has a statistically significant positive influence on financial performance. Fifth, image innovation has a statistically significant positive effect on financial performance. Thus, enterprise can improve the level of service, engineering, marketing, organizational, and image innovation, and improve both corporate and financial performance. This study demonstrates strategies to improve the financial and non-financial performance of companies throughout corporate innovation. However, the study has some limitations, which presents opportunities for further research. First, this study focuses on service-oriented companies with respect to the different classification standards for certain types of companies. For example, production and shipping business. The empirical study could have some conceptual inaccuracy due to differences in characteristics. For further research, the sub-category, such as regression methods of service-oriented companies, are worth exploring. Second, this is an empirical study on Chinese company, considering differences in terms of culture and work ethic. Our findings will not apply to other countries. However, the theoretical basis and practical guidance could serve as a recommendation for companies coming into Chinese markets, as well as for Chinese companies that plan to do business abroad. Third, a questionnaire survey was used in this study to examine interviews' perception of the financial performance of the respective enterprises. Concerns about inaccuracy remain because of the respondents' potentially subjective understanding. Therefore, we recommend a follow-up empirical research, as we could collect financial data from the surveyed companies in the upcoming year. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and special thanks to my tutor, Professor Shanyue Jin.